The Gentle Art of Blessing by Pierre Pradervand. On awakening, bless this day, for it is already full of unseen good which your blessings will call forth. For to bless is to acknowledge the unlimited good that is embedded in the texture of the universe and awaiting each and all. On passing people in the street, on the bus, in places of work and play, bless them. The peace of your blessing will accompany them on their way, and its aura will be a light on their path. As you walk, bless the city in which you live, its government and teachers, its nurses and street sweepers, its children and bankers, its priests and prostitutes. The minute anyone expresses the least aggression or unkindness to you, respond with a blessing. Bless them totally, sincerely, joyfully. For blessings are a shield that protects them from the ignorance of their misdeed and deflects the arrow that was aimed at you. To bless means to wish unconditionally from the deepest chamber of your heart, unrestricted good for others and events. It means to hallow, to hold in reverence, to behold with awe that which is always a gift from the Creator. When something goes completely askew in your day, when some unexpected event upsets your plans and upsets you, burst into a blessing. For life is teaching you a lesson, and the very event you believe to be unwanted, you yourself called forth, so as to learn the lesson you might balk against were you not to bless it. Trials are blessings in disguise, and hosts of angels follow in their path. To bless is to acknowledge the omnipresent, universal beauty hidden from material eyes. It is to activate that law of attraction, which, from the furthest reaches of the universe, will bring into your life exactly what you need to experience and to enjoy.